Hello friends, welcome to the world of Persang Karaoke, and thank you for buying our most featureable product, PK8173 Smart PK. Alright, now I will show you how what you will get it along with the system. Okay, so first of all you can see this smart box, the receiver of PK8173. In here you can see 32 GB song embedded card. It is already inserted in your system. Alright, you can see these both codeless microphone you will get with the system. You can sing from there also. Okay, and you can see the stand, so you can hold this microphone here. Along with that you will get this fully function remote control, a power adapter, and both HDMI and AV cable to connect the system with your TV. And we are providing you this AA and AAA batteries to run your microphone and for the remote control. Okay, now I will show you how this system will run in your television. For that you need to connect this charger with the system and this HDMI cable. One end will goes into your receiver and the other end will goes to your television. Okay, after that you will get this booting video. Okay, alright, so you will find this UI on your television, and you can see here all the options are here. So we have to just go for Hindi. In Hindi you can see all the categories like solo, duet, latest, year-wise category are there. So all the Hindi songs will be here. You just have to select from here. Okay, now in this one you can see all the languages are here. So then after it's a YouTube option. For the YouTube you have to connect this system with your Wi-Fi, and to use the YouTube you have to search the song, and first of all you have to download it. And for downloading you can see the blue button here on your remote control. To press that button, after downloading you can see that downloaded song in download folder, so you can sing from there. Alright, we have a numerical search, like whenever you have an e-songbook with the system. Okay, so there are some numbers available in the book, so you have to type the numbers and directly search from number wise search. Okay, whenever you record your song in this system you will find that recordable songs in record folder. There is an album wise search. In album wise search you don't know the name of the song, but you know the movie of that song, so you can directly search from movie name. Okay, alright, there is a favorite option. Some of the songs are your favorite songs. You have to just keep that song in your favorite folder, so you don't have to find it again and again. In the reserve option, if you have a get together or something at your home, you just have to select the song and put it in your reserve folder. It will run one by one again and one by one, and whenever that program will finish, you don't need to keep the remote with you. It will run automatically. Okay, there is a singer wise search here, so you can find the song from singer name also. Alright, and one more thing, you have PK remote application. You just have to install this application in your mobile, and directly you can use our remote control from your mobile also. Alright, so these are the options you will get it in our PK8173 model. Okay friends, thank you so much.